Pacific ship owner. We have an opportunity every time there is a war, there is an issue, there is always during COVID, we had a client asking for Fiji crew, and we did supply Fiji crew for 6 container ships. We had a very good business. So if you're thinking again of having Fiji crew, contact us, because it is a huge opportunity now. If we need to have Filipinos, Indonesians, Indians, Asia crew join Europe, is complicated. Therefore, that means that there is a big supply, huge supply. So if your company now is thinking about the strategic re-establishment of the terms and conditions because of supply and demand, or because you really need to have a Donis or Kunspet or a new company that doesn't pay so much for the software. Some softwares really cost 200,000 euros or dollars per year to keep maintain. We can do it for 6,000 today. Yeah, there's a huge software AI. There is a huge possibility to set our own AI with a Copilot, with Microsoft Alarms KPIs. Therefore, it is a huge possibility to disrupt the whole crew management area and have the best crew, the best local crew. You can contact Candina, because now the Pacific has a huge opportunity. Also, if ships straight to America, we have now possibility from Honduras all the way to Peru, local crew, and talk about the flags, these Panama, Liberia, Marshall Islands, Vanuatu, all these Bahama, Bermuda type of flags are very friendly to the American and also the Pacific crew management, so we can really work very strong today. And now there's going to be huge companies with these big pyramids of training and also of softwares of this policy type, which we can disrupt very easy, because Candina is an AI company, a data company, and the Pacific is really an area that we love to work, because it has huge extensions, but we have local solutions. And travel is going up the prices now with this barrier with the Iranian war, but also with the price of petrol and so on. Every day there is ways to disrupt. If you have 10, 20, 100, 200, 300 ships, you need a solution that has a 3% management fee around. Contact Candina, because we can really get to have a long term. We are a 126-year-old company, and we're going to defend the interest of the ship owner, not the ship managers. You see, the ship owner, this is a little difference with the strategic focus, intrinsic value, long term, ESG, goodwill, isn't it? Just get the calculation and calculate. Thank you, bye.